excited. This is one of my favorite times of year to shop. I love getting a steal of a deal. I mean, you guys have seen my channel. I love finding really good sales. Dermstore just released their Cyber Week sales today. So we're going to go through those specifically. And I also have an exclusive discount code that not only saves you a little bit of money off of your total order, Dermstore has actually partnered up with me to offer you guys a higher percentage off by means of my code. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. As always, we do lots of unboxings over here, but like I mentioned, I love a good sale. I love a good deal. We are going to be talking about all of the deals this week at Dermstore. Now, if you're not familiar with Dermstore, they are an online beauty retailer and they sell anything and everything. They also have free shipping on most of their items as well. So we are going to be talking about their Cyber Week sales, which are up to 30% off of brands. I mean, brands that never go on sale are actually on sale this week. So if you want to shop any of these sales from Dermstore, I will have a link down below. This is a master link that takes you to all of the products that are on sale. Now I will tell you guys, it's huge. Dermstore sent over to me a list of all of the brands that are included, and it was 8 pages, you guys. I mean, and the print was like this big, so it's really detailed. They say not every brand is included in the sale, but honestly, I mean, it was really hard to find any that weren't on it. So I would say nearly everything on their website is on sale this week. But the best part is, if you guys use my discount code, you'll be able to save an extra 16% off of the sales as well. So that discount code will work off of your total purchase order. There is no limit to how many times you can use that code. So if you place your order and then you realize, hey, I forgot to stock up on my moisturizer, or I forgot to stock up on my hairspray, you can go back in and place another order and use my code and still save. So I do have an unboxing I'm going to share with you guys. I've also got notes. I mean, literally, I was writing down everything I was going to need for this video. So these are all products that I have here at my house, and they're products that I use already regularly in my routine. So I've got in here some hair care, some makeup, some skincare items. These are all sold on the Dermstore website, and they're all included in the sale this week. And you can use my discount code on them as well. So these are also going to be my favorite items. If you're wanting to try any of these products that I use, I'm going to show them, explain them, but you can get them all on sale right now. Okay, let's talk about one of my all-time favorite cleansing balms. Miz's balm is so good, you guys. This brand is also on sale this week. So the entire lineup from Miz is 20% off this week only. This cleansing balm is amazing, you guys. So I always stock up on this whenever it's on sale. It is a gentle balm that will not strip my skin. It doesn't wear it out either, and I'm always cautious of that in winter time because my skin tends to get a little bit more dry come winter. So I want a softer cleanser when I'm removing my makeup and whatever else is on my face. So this one, absolutely love it. If you would like to have a cleanser that really does a great job of cleansing, but it's not going to strip your skin, it's also gentle on your skin, highly recommend this product. You know, I don't really have these in order because now I'm going to jump over to some makeup real quick, but I have other skincare. It's just what I could find in my house, you guys. So Tarte Cosmetics also on sale this week, and you can shop anything from Tarte. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I haven't used it yet, but I always have one on hand in case I'm getting a little low. This particular mascara is their Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So it's a black shade and it does a really great job of giving me volume and length. They kind of give you a dramatic eye look. Even if you look at these photos, do you see how like they're just very drama? I mean, that's kind of what I like with my eyes. So I love this wand because it does give me a lot of fanning. It really creates a lot of volume with the lashes. So this is what it looks like here. It's not a new product on the market. It's just one that I happen to really enjoy. Tarte is on sale for 30% off this week. So you can shop anything from Tarte. It doesn't even have to be just this mascara. This just happens to be one of my favorite products from them. Moisturizers. Now, I told you guys that my skin gets a little bit dry in the winter season. I do have oily skin by nature, but it's not healthy oil, so you do need to apply a moisturizer even if you have oily skin. This is one of my favorite moisturizers to use for winter time, but I only use it in winter. I use a different moisturizer for the other seasons. So it's an ultra repair cream. This is coming from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty's products. So this is just one of many that I use, but the entire lineup is on sale for 25% off this week. So 25% off if you purchase this week, you guys. It's just great to stock up on items. But this moisturizer is an ultra repairing cream, so lots of hydration. It really makes my skin soft, but I find like when I'm out shoveling snow, usually I will get windburn and my face just gets so red, it's inflamed, it's irritated, and I just need something to calm it down. This moisturizer will do that. So it calms it down. It also gives it hydration, and I usually can get rid of that windburn feeling within an hour of applying the cream. So love this product. I always stock up before winter because seriously, it is a godsend. Toothpaste. I bet you didn't see that one coming, you guys. This is my favorite toothpaste. So this is the brand called Marvis. It is sold on the Dermstore website, and yes, it is also on sale this week for 25% off. So you can shop any of their toothpaste. They have different flavors. This one's just their strong mint. It's just their OG product. I love this toothpaste because it is fluoride free. So if you are looking for a fluoride free toothpaste that still tastes the same as everything else out there, works the same, just doesn't have fluoride, this is the one I would recommend. It works really well. It's gentle on my teeth as well. And you know what? I'm not here to persuade you one way or another on fluoride. You guys can do your own research and decide what works for you. I'm just saying this is a great brand if you don't want to have it. But again, you can get it 25% off this week. So this is what it will look like. Full size tube here. Love this one, you guys. You can even smell the minty fresh even out of the box. Ooh, okay. Let's talk about hair care for a minute here. This is from Briogeo. I love this product. Like seriously, I use it every single day. It is one of my favorite items to use. It is their Farewell Frizz product, and it's a leave-in conditioner. So not only does this help to cut down on frizz, like the name mentions, it also helps to give your hair hydration. So I always spray down, usually I'll spritz it right about my ear level and spritz down. That way all of my hairs down here will get that hydration, and they're not gonna have split ends, they're not gonna dry out or anything like that. And again, for winter, you need all the extra moisture you can get. I am telling you guys, this is a great time to shop. Like seriously, when I saw the list, because I got the list from Dermstore about a week ago and they said, hey, these are all of the brands we're gonna have on sale, I started doing the math on some of these products that I use regularly. Like I'm always gonna need toothpaste, right? So I make sure that I have that because I don't wanna run out of it. Same thing with like my shampoo and my conditioner. And I'm doing the math between my code and the sale. I'm like, these are cheaper than, Sephora or Ulta prices as well. So yeah, I already have a huge order coming, you guys. So the next item that I love is Paula's Choice. You guys, I have said so many good things about it. I love this product. There are a few different variations of this product out there as well. They're all included in this sale this week. So Paula's Choice is on sale for 20% off this week. It includes all of the products from this brand. This is the BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Love this product, you guys. If you want an exfoliant to break down texture, you put a little bit on a cotton pad, rub it. Oh my God, you guys, like it works. I swear by this. So this is what the full-size product looks like. If you want to try it out, great time to get it now while it's on sale. And I mean, you guys are seeing, these are not new products that I'm showing you. These are just products that I use in my routine, like on a daily basis. And I use a lot of different beauty products. I mean, obviously from all of these boxes, but these are the ones that I love the most and won't go without. So like I said, with some of these moisturizers, the hydration for my hair, even if I get other products to try it, I still end up going back to these. Like these are just my favorite. So the next product that I have is an eye mask. It's from Peter Thomas Roth. Love these ones again for moisture. So this is the Hyaluronic Cloud Hydra Gel Eye Patches. There are 30 pairs in the full size box. And I feel like when I put these on, they just go right below. I feel like I get this intense moisture. And so they do a great job of keeping it hydrated, keeping it soft. It also works against like crow's feet and fine lines. So 30% off the entire Peter Thomas Roth line. So any product in there, they do have a really good moisturizer as well. I have used that and I do enjoy it. So they've got a bunch of products, but all 30% off right now. Well, you had to know Sunday Riley was gonna show up at some point on this list. So this is my favorite overnight oil skincare treatment. So this is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil from Sunday Riley. I love this product because I put a little bit on right before bed and it helps to take down signs of premature aging, but I also find that it keeps my skin even. It's just a really great nighttime oil. So this one fights off the wrinkles, but it also takes down the appearance of pores. It's going to keep dark spots away and it's going to keep your skin even as well when it comes to color. Sunday Riley is on sale this week, you guys. This one is 25% off. I had to double check my numbers. But 25% off the entire Sunday Riley lineup. Also, I don't have any right now, but Sunday Riley makes a really great moisturizer and it has vitamin C inside of it. Love it. It's their CEO Glow Moisturizer. And not only is it hydrating, but it will give you a brightening effect as well. It works really well. So I do need to get some of that, but it's also 25% off this week. And I also recommend it. Okay, next item that I love is Medicate. I mean, this is a brand I've been really gushing over for like the last 6 months, you guys. I'm just falling in love with this brand. Everything I try, I love. So this one is the nighttime serum that you can put on. It does feature retinol inside of it, but it's a lower dose. So it's their Crystal Retinol 3. They make different versions. The higher the number, the higher the intensity on this retinol product. So just go with whatever works for you. But this is one you can put on at night, let it work overnight while you're sleeping. And the idea behind it is that it's going to, again, even out your skin, but fight off signs of aging. But Medicate is on sale for 30% off this week. So you can shop any of their products. They have a lot of products. And like I said, even the ones that have more retinol inside of them, you can get them all 30% off if you shop this week. Last item that I'm going to share with you guys is Dr. Dennis Gross. This entire brand is also on sale this week, you guys. 30% off. So if you want to try out my favorite product, which is the Daily Peel System, you can get it for 30% off right now. So this one is going to feature 5 treatments inside of the box. They have other boxes that have more treatments inside if you want to do that. I would recommend if you're just trying it for the first time, maybe just start with this one, see how it goes for you. So it's a 2-step process, but you do them back to back all in one sitting. And so they're just these foil packets that have AHAs and BHAs inside of them. They will give you smoother, brighter skin after doing this peeling process. So it works. I guarantee you guys, you will see results. I can't believe how much smoother my skin feels after doing it. And I do feel like it has a natural brightness to it. I still follow up with a brightening skincare product usually, but it does give you a natural glow. But the biggest thing that I like about this is it does make my skin really smooth. So this one, absolutely love it. It is an intense treatment. So if you do have sensitive skin, try it, let it sit. Don't do another treatment right away after that. Just kind of see how your skin reacts to it is what I would say. But again, 30% off. I mean, what better of a time than to try these out Cyber Week? Sydney here. So I just went to the Dermstore website just to double check all of my numbers and everything. And I did not know that Dermstore was also putting their best of Dermstore edits on sale this week as well for Cyber Week. So what this means is all of these previous kits, we have unboxed all of these on the channel already. I can get you guys links to these unboxings if you would like to. All of them are on sale for less than these prices here because you're going to get an extra 25 to 30% off. Now you can use my code, which will match this discount and get you the best deal possible. And like I said, it's on all of these kits. And believe it or not, we have unboxed all of these. So this is a great time to try out these kits. I highly recommend, if you guys have not seen the holiday chest, this holiday chest is my favorite that they've come out with this year. It has so many products inside. They're full-size items, and right now is the cheapest I've seen it all season. You can get it down to about $130 for it. There's free shipping as well. Lots of free bonus samples they're throwing in as well with orders, like gift with purchases. So yes, if you've not seen this chest, I highly recommend you guys look into it, but then also use my discount code to get yourself the best deal possible. So those are all of the products that I'm going to share with you guys. But like I said, Dermstore is having a huge sale this week on all things beauty. I mean, literally, I even saw Anastasia Beverly Hills is on there. So if you guys are needing like brow products, because she has some of the best brow products on the market, that's on sale for, I believe, 25% off this week. So, I mean, just seriously, they have hair care on there. They've got skincare. There's makeup. You can shop all of it using my link down below. But if you use my code, you're going to get those extra savings on top of the existing sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today where we went through some of my favorite beauty products. Comment down below, let me know, what do you guys think of these products? Have you tried any of them? Are you excited to go shopping? And if you are interested, don't forget, I got that link and code all down below. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!